Amazon Web Services (AWS) is one of the most popular cloud platforms, offering businesses the flexibility, scalability, and cost-effectiveness they need to succeed. However, with the many benefits of AWS comes the responsibility of securing your cloud environment. Cloud professionals must be familiar with AWS-specific security protocols and practices to effectively secure their AWS cloud environment. Let's discuss a few strategies for securing your Amazon cloud environment.
Defining your security policy is an essential step for securing an Amazon cloud environment. Cloud professionals must determine what data and resources need to be protected, who has access to them, and how to secure them. Another strategy is to secure your Amazon S3 buckets. Amazon S3 buckets are a popular choice for storing data in the cloud. However, S3 buckets can be easily misconfigured, leaving data exposed. To secure your S3 buckets, cloud professionals must ensure that they are properly configured with appropriate access controls and encryption. It's also important to use AWS security services. AWS provides a range of security services to help secure your cloud environment, such as AWS Security Hub, AWS Config, and AWS Identity and Access Management (IAM). Finally, monitoring and analyzing logs is an important security measure for an Amazon cloud environment. Cloud professionals must be able to detect and respond to security threats in real time.
To further enhance your knowledge and skills in securing your Amazon cloud environment, consider enrolling in a cloud bootcamp. Cloud Institute provides comprehensive cloud education that covers AWS-specific security protocols and practices. By investing in cloud education, you can gain the knowledge and skills you need to effectively secure your Amazon cloud environment and protect against potential security threats.